Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube account. Verifying your account is an important step in building your channel's credibility and gaining access to additional features. So let's get started. Step 1. Sign into your YouTube account. First, you need to sign into your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select YouTube Studio. Step 2. Go to the channel status and features page. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on Settings in the left-hand menu and then select Channel Status and Features. Step 3. Meet the verification requirements. To verify your account, you need to meet the following requirements. Have a phone number linked to your account. Have a channel that is in good standing. Have at least 100 subscribers. If you meet these requirements, you'll see a Verify button next to your channel name. Step 4. Enter your phone number. Click on the Verify button and enter your phone number. YouTube will send you a verification code via text message. Step 5. Enter your verification code. Enter the verification code you received and click Submit. Your account should now be verified. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to verifying your YouTube account. Remember, verifying your account is an important step in building your channel's credibility and gaining access to additional features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this.